Alright, so let's listen to a little bit more of the marimba. Nice. Oh yeah, okay. A little bit of nostalgia there for you. Throwback for everybody. Okay, the tamborim is one of the smallest, but it's also very important and essential part of the samba band, the smallest Brazilian instrument. That's the very small tambourine type thing. I swear I've gone over all these. Let's see. Right, okay. He's using, I believe, his hands. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, I was right. He's using his hands. Very nice. This guy's awesome. Hey! Oh, yeah. Hey. Sadie got very upset there for a little while. But I think she's calmed down now. Okay, so this is a tamborim band from Sao Paulo, and I believe they're playing a samba rhythm in a carnival parade. Wow. Okay, so carnival seems like a pretty big deal in Brazil, and considering like all this music is just designed to be played in this one parade, I wonder if there's like I wonder if the carnival music is like ever used. I mean, I'm sure it is, right, in other parades, but definitely that's the culmination event. It's the one day you get to kind of kick back a little bit, relax, jam out with your friends. You guys have been practicing for your, probably a whole year since last carnival to put on this crazy show. So seems like there's a lot of energy and effort that goes into that, especially with samba and Brazilian music. Okay, Bug, you're okay. Okay, so we actually have one of these as well, or we used to. It may have gotten broken. It may hate. Okay, so the shekere originates in West Africa, and it is used in Brazilian and Cuban music. In Cuba, it's called a chekere, whereas in Brazil, it's known as the shekere. And we got this gourd. Hey, a gourd with a lot of beads and we had one of these in Fort Marts for a long time. As I was saying, we had one of these a long time at FHSA. I believe we still may have it. But to me, just instinctually, it looks African. And in Brazil and Cuba, this is places where, right, we talked about your Yoruban culture was brought against its will through the slave trade to the New World, right, America, and to Brazil and South America and stuff. You okay, Buggy? So let's listen to this instrument. Hey, you're almost ready to stand up, Sadybug. Sorry, my daughter is in rare form. That's cool, by the way. course they choose this guy to play it. Cool. Okay, you get the point. That's an awesome instrument, the shekere. Alright, so that ties up everything that this unit has to offer. Moral of the story, it seems like Carnival is sort of the event breathes life into samba music, into Brazilian music. Also, we noted the old world and new world ingredients to the music, right? You had, for example, the Portuguese four-string guitar, cavaquinho. You had the African elements too coming together in Brazil. You had the percussion elements like the shekere, and then you had those many different instruments, percussion instruments that came together. So anyway, oh, my daughter's throwing up. Hopefully this like talk through of the Music First software was useful to everybody. I'm going to be putting up a quiz based on the Brazilian music, so stay tuned. It should be a little bit different than the FHSA online quiz, but it will be referencing the FHSA online focus on sound material that we just talked through. Okay, awesome. I'll hear from all you guys soon. Bye.